Okay, so first of all, I'm going to start by numbering all of the rows and also numbering all of the columns in the table. Then I need to work out the pattern that I want for the row numbers. So I want to start with this section here, which means I need the numbers going from 1 to 5. Then I want to stack all of these sections on top of each other. In order to do that, I'm going to do equals and select this cell here and then drag this formula down. And this will get me the numbers 1 to 5 repeating, so I end up with 4 copies. Then I need to sort out the column numbers. So I want to start with column 1, so I need to put the number 1 in here and then have that repeating 5 times. Then I want column number 2, so to get this I'm going to do equals this cell here plus 1 and then drag this down. Then I want column number 3, so for this I'm just going to drag everything across because we are still just adding 1. Then I want to move down to column number 4. And to get this, I'm going to do equals this cell here plus 3 and enter, and then drag this down. To get columns 5 and 6, I'm going to take these formulas and drag these down because we are still just adding 1 here. Then I can select all of this bottom row and drag it down to the end. And this will fill in the pattern that I need for the rest of the table because we are just adding 3 here and we are adding 1 here. Now that I have the row and column numbers sorted out, I can put in an index formula. And the array is going to be all of the numbers in the table. And then for row number, I'm going to select all of my row numbers. And then for column number, I'm going to select all of my column numbers. And this gets me the numbers in the table rearranged. We'll just double check a few of these. So these numbers here are the same as these numbers here. And these numbers here are the same as these numbers here. And these numbers here are the same as these numbers here. So we know that we have got it working correctly. Now we need to put in the headers. So the first headers are nice and easy. I can just copy and paste these. For the row headers, I'm going to copy and paste the first set. Then I'll do equals and select the first cell here and then drag this formula down. So I get the row headings being repeated 4 times. For the seasons, this is a bit more complicated. I'll start by doing equals unique and then the array is going to be all of these seasons here to get a unique list. And because my values are going across multiple columns, I need to put 1 in here for true return unique columns. Now that I've got a unique list of the seasons, I need to have these repeating 5 times. So I'll add an and symbol onto the end of this and then select 5 blank cells vertically. And this will get me all of these seasons repeated. Then I can use the TOCOL function to get this all into one column. And in order to get it to be the order that I want, I need to put 2 more commas in the end here. And then for scan by column, I need to put the number 1 for true scan by column. Then I can just click and drag this over here in order to finish off the table. Okay, so in this video, I have shown you how to rearrange a table in Excel. And so long as you can work out the pattern that you need for the row and column numbers, you should be able to rearrange any table you want. And that is everything.